One of the problem of calculation of national income in India is answer B, inflation. Which bank has launched its multi-option payment acceptance device for digital payment? Answer B, SBI. Which of the following cities will set up India's first e-waste recycling unit? Answer B, Bengaluru. The first bank to open its branch outside India in London in 1946. Answer A, Bank of India. Dash is not a loan category in Mudra scheme. Answer C, UVA. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, was finally implemented in the year dash. Answer C, 2002. The head of the Reserve Bank of India is called. Answer C, Governor. India is largest exporter of. Answer B, textile. The person responsible for milk revolution in India is. Answer A, Dr. Kurian. The leading state in cement production in India is. Answer D, Rajasthan. Who among the following is associated as a head with the high-level task force on public credit registry formed by the Reserve Bank of India? Answer C, R.S. Gujral. Which state has bagged the top position under the Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matruttav Abhiyan? Answer C, Assam. Who was the founder of Bank of Baroda? Answer C, P. Karamchandra. Which of the following country is not included in the category of top 5 gold holder countries of the world? Answer A, China. Which of the following economic survey was also famous as Pink Economic Survey? Answer C, Economic Survey 2017 to 2018. Who among the following is India's largest employer? Answer C, Indian Railways. The major route of exports and imports is. Answer D, ports. Expand the abbreviation of SEZ. Answer B, Special Economic Zone. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India was established? Answer C, 1935. Dash is the primary sector of the Indian economy. Answer C, agriculture. Who among the following formulates the monetary policy in India? Answer B, Reserve Bank of India. Which of the following is not a state tax? Answer A, wealth tax. Which is one of the factors of subsistence used to measure the poverty line in India? Answer B, education. Cause of inflation is. Answer C, increases in the money supply and fall in production. National Insurance Awareness Day was observed on which day? Answer C, 28 June. Which is the most essential function of an entrepreneur? Answer B, risk bearing. Which of the following is a better measurement of economic development? Answer A. NNP. Inflation in India is measured on which of the following indicators? Answer B. Wholesale price index. According to law of supply, if everything is equal, then an increase in price results in answer B. Increase in quantity supplied. India's first ever National Police Museum will establish in which city? Answer D. Delhi. Purchasing power parity theory is related with answer B. Exchange rate. Foreign currency which has a tendency of quick migration is called answer B. Hot currency. What is the percentage of the female population according to the 2011 census? Answer C. 48.53%. The state which stands first in per capita income is answer B. Maharashtra. The study of factor pricing is alternatively called the theory of answer A. Functional distribution. Price theory is also known as answer D. Microeconomics. Excise duty on a commodity is payable with reference to its answer B. Production. Knowledge, technical skill, education, etc. in economics are regarded as answer D. Human capital. Deficit financing means the government borrows money from the answer C. Reserve Bank of India. Which of the statements is correct about India's national income? Answer D. Percentage share of service is higher than agriculture and industry put together. The process of curing inflation by reducing money supply is called answer C. Disinflation. The Indian economy can be appropriately described as a answer B. Mixed economy. Which of the following is not an undertaking under the administrative control of Ministry of Railways? Answer C. Indian Railways Construction Company Limited. The average rate of domestic savings gross for the Indian economy is currently estimated to be in the range of answer B. 20 to 25%. What is the means of subsidies? Answer D. Payment made by the government to business enterprises without buying and goods and services. National expenditure includes answer D. All of the above. The apex body for formulating plans and coordinating research work in agriculture and allied field is answer D. Indian Council of Agriculture Research.